Received a court order for wage garnishment and not sure how to implement it? If legal deductions make you nervous, you're not alone. Today, we're adding a garnishment or other deduction in ADP correctly. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Garnishments, like child support or tax levies, are mandatory deductions. You can also set up voluntary deductions for things like health insurance or 401k contributions. Step 1. Access the employee's profile. Go to the employee's record in ADP. Find the Payroll or Deductions section. Here, you can add a new deduction. Step 2. Configure the deduction details. Select the deduction type, garnishment, insurance, etc. Enter the amount or percentage to deduct per pay period. For garnishments, carefully follow the instructions on the court order for the amount and remittance address. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: verify garnishment limits with ADP support. Federal and state laws limit how much can be garnished from a paycheck. If you're unsure, contact ADP support. They can help you configure it correctly to ensure you remain compliant with the legal order without violating wage protection laws. So, just like that, you can manage both mandatory and voluntary deductions with confidence. Proper deduction setup goes a long way in ensuring legal compliance and accurate pay. Now I'm curious, have you ever had to process a wage garnishment? What was the most challenging part? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.